Hey folks, David Frost, MyStrategicForecast.com. What I want to do in this video is explain 3 recent market calls to the benefit of the members of My Strategic Forecast, and we're able to take profits on all these market calls, and I want to explain each and every one of them in this video and show you and also prove to you with published information where those market calls are and where they came from and when they were made. Stock market top Memorial Day weekend we're going to discuss. Crude oil, discussed it would rise $2 on a particular day. Gold would rise to a particular number, $1,205 on June 1st. And I want to show you those 3 calls. So here's a chart of the S&P. It's a daily chart. And the reason why there's a lot of lines on here is because this is how, in part, what I do with my analysis, and my members understand what these lines represent and why they're there. And Memorial Day weekend was up at the peak over here, okay? And below this video, you'll see a link to the video that was made prior to the top that was made Memorial Day weekend. I explained where I got that information from, what caused me to believe that the market was converging to make a top, and the members knew about it when I told them about it before it happened. So the link to that video, which has been published on YouTube, and it was published on YouTube prior to the market call, is below this video. So go check it out, and it'll link you right to the time segment where I begin talking about that very phenomenon. Okay, let's go to the next one, which was oil. We're going to crude oil, and right in here where I put my crossbar is a low that was made in crude oil, which happens to be the same day, again with a link below this video to that video explaining what I thought would happen to crude oil and how much it would rise the following day, which is right here, which it actually happened. And go check out that link. It'll bring you again to the time segment that I begin discussing that very market call. The next one is gold. In the gold market, right here, okay, where my crossbar is again, that day the video discussed the number that it would move to on the upside, which is also represented by this darker purple line. The darker purple line is right exactly at $1,205.82, $1,205.82. The following day, the market rose to a high of $1,204.70. My level was a mathematical calculation. The market rose to a little over $1 below that level and reversed. My members knew that level well ahead of time. That line had been in there for quite a while. Okay, so what I want you to do is come over and check out MyStrategicForecast.com. I have a 2-week free trial where my members know this information as I give it out to them, and I'd like you to come check it out. We're building a nice community over there. It's interactive. Members email me all the time with questions. I get back to them right away. We discuss the markets. It's a community of like-minded people who are interested in the markets and want to profit by knowing what's going to happen in the market before it happens. David Frost, MyStrategicForecast.com. Come check us out, folks. Thanks for watching.